We're bowling on the easiest bowling pattern that I have ever bowled on. It's going to be a 25-to-1 ratio, which means a lot of oil in the middle, almost no oil on the outside. So I think this one might be so easy that it's actually going to make it hard. Hopefully I light them up like I have in the past, and hopefully we can come away with the win today in doubles. Until then, subscribe to the channel, help me change those numbers, subscribe to the channel, and let's go to Lawrence. All right, so we just started up game two. I'm making a little bit of a ball change here because game one, I shot 215, Austin shot 209. There's just a lot of friction on the left, so anytime I missed a little bit left, I six-pinned. So I'm looking for a little bit more miss room, not to hit the pocket, but just a little bit more miss room to strike. So I'm changing to a counterattack solid from my original black quantum, and hopefully this game we can score a little better. So game four we're in, Austin shot 160 with open, open, open to start the game with 4 bad splits and 4, I thought, pretty good ball changes. We talked every time, and it just got to the point where now in the middle of game four, there's a huge cliff where that friction to the right is so defined. Anytime he throws it there, it goes through the face, and the few times he missed in a little bit, the ball just didn't hook at all. So he's got to find the right ball and the right ball speed and the right break point down lane to get his ball to hit the pocket consistently. He did that the back half of the game, bailed out for like a 160 or 170. I shot 230 with the front 6, so I got to do a better job finishing. Austin's got to do a better job starting out, and hopefully back half of this tournament we can make a real push here to get to the top. Say they're so easy that they're really hard, and this is not going well for me or my partner. It's going bad for both of us.
So what are you going to do about that?
Throw my 8th ball of the day.
All right.
We've tried them all at this point.
Except for that one right below
except this one right here. This one's next. 10 large. High quality shots, low quality ball selection.
Until that last game.
Until the back half of last game. I switched to my Damn Good Verge Pearl, and it did the right motion, and it struck every time I threw it again.
So what's your plan for this game?
Throw that ball again and shoot more than 240.
Sounds like a plan.
That's the plan. We'll see how it works out. That's the plan, though.
All right, make it happen.
Maybe get a Muncher's donut while I'm at it.
All right.
And this shot right here from Austin is actually the perfect matchup that we probably should have been looking for, almost like game 3. I found a Damn Good Verge Pearl, which is a little bit slower of the cleaner, shinier balls, which is giving me just enough miss room in to strike like we talked about earlier. And now Austin's got that UC3 shined up like a marble, and he's keeping his break point in about 12 down lane, and if he misses to 13 or 14, it holds. So Austin's got that perfect look with the UC3 shined up a ton, and I got the perfect look with that Damn Good Verge Pearl. 2 games to go. Hopefully we can pull it out and really make a push for the top. We didn't go 7 million over. They were, I would say they were actually too easy, where they were so easy that there's too much hook on the outside almost from game 2. There was too much hook on the outside and just not enough hold in the middle of the lane. And then, you get to game 4 and balls that you miss a little in on wash out. So too easy. 25-1 is a pattern that's not, it should be easy, but it's so easy that it becomes hard. And that's the video. We'll see you next time. Peace. Don't forget, subscribe down below and follow along for more fun videos like this.